morning. So this video we are going to see a recruitment news from Tata Elxsi. Again, it is a core company of electronics. So there is a recruitment drive happening for 2020 batch and a lot of branches they are actually recruiting. Okay, so we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. So please to watch this video till the end. Okay, so the recruitment is happening from Tata Elxsi and the recruitment they are actually conducting through a job recruitment site which is called hackearth.com. Okay, I'll be sharing the link of the notification and that website link in description. Anyway, so the recruitment is happening from Tata Elxsi and it is an opening on an opportunity for 2020 graduates. Okay, so the batches they are calling are, so the graduation year is 2020 and it is for B and BTech, BTech candidates they are recruiting, and the branches they are recruiting are EC, EEE, CSC, IT and telecommunication. That is all branches of electronics, electrical and also computer science and IT. Okay, so this is mainly a company for electronics graduates. So if you are an electronics graduate, this is a very golden opening for you. Please don't miss it. Okay, and also they have mentioned that what CGPA or percentage you require. That is 6.5 CGPA or in percentage it is 60% and no backlogs is allowed. Okay, so if you have any backlogs, I would suggest you to not apply for this. Okay, so that is the eligibility criteria. Now talking about the selection process, so they have given the selection process in detail. So our campus selection process include step 1, which is actually the registering for this challenge. They are actually conducting the selection process just like a challenge, that is a coding challenge, okay, through which they are actually recruiting. So before seeing the selection process, we first let us see the place of posting and also the locations. Okay, so the job location will be Bangalore, Chennai, Pune and Trivandrum. So for these 4 locations they are actually recruiting. So this is a mass recruitment. A lot of candidates will be actually getting recruited. There is totally 600 openings. So this is a very big recruitment. Okay, so all 2020 batches for this respective branches which I have told should apply or should try for this. Okay, the CTC they are offering is 3.5 lakh per annum is a starting CTC they are offering. Okay, also they have told in the description or in the notification that we are looking for young and vibrant engineers to accelerate our growth process across transportation, media, communication, healthcare and consumer electronics. Okay, so this is the company of electronics. So they are developing various electronics component or these fields. So the job that you will be doing will be of that nature. Okay, developing, researching on this electronics component. Now going back to the selection process. So the selection process is initially a registration. First you have to register yourself for this challenge. Click on the register button and fill the form in form to register on Hackearth platform. So through this Hackearth platform they are actually recruiting. So they are actually providing an access or a platform for recruiting of the candidates. Okay, that platform name is hackearth.com. Okay, first you have to register here and then you have to fill up all your details, your educational qualification details and everything. And after filling up, they'll be shortlisting the candidates. And in the step 2, profiles will be shortlisted by Tata Elxsi. So this data which you are filling, that is all applications the Hackearth is getting, they'll be sending to the Tata Elxsi and they'll be shortlisting the candidates based on the qualification and everything. Only shortlisted candidates will receive the link for taking the test. Okay, so if you are not getting the mail or anything, means you are not getting shortlisted. That is the thing. Okay, next step 3 is selection test will be conducted on the Hackearth platform itself. So in the same platform they will be conducting the selection test. Then step 4 is technical interview. Step 5 is HR interview. So there is initially there will be a coding challenge. Then after that there will be technical interview, then there will be HR interview. That is the selection process. Also they have given the format of the coding challenge or the coding test. There will be 2 programming questions will be there and the challenge date or the coding challenge date will be on February 9th and on February 10th. Okay, so in between these 2 days they will be conducting the coding challenge and it is a 2-hour test it is going to be, and there will be 2 programming questions. They have not given the language or anything that is from which language the questions will be or anything regarding the coding challenge, but anyway since it is an electronics company you have to be familiarized with the hardware description languages, embedded C, and also if you have some basic ideas of C, C++, Java, Python, then that will be an advantage. Okay. So anyway, there will be a coding challenge and it will be for a 2 hours duration. Okay. A lot of people do ask me in the comment section that how do we prepare for this MNC interviews and also this core company interviews. So here I'm going to introduce to you a publishers who is making or publishing books exclusively for interview preparations. A lot of books actually they are publishing programming language related, domain related and new technology related books, especially for interview preparation. You can see in their website and also you can purchase these books from Amazon as well. Okay, so the main merit or the main thing which I have actually noticed in these books are you will get more than 200 plus questions on each book. That is, there is actually books for C, C++, Core Java, Advanced Java, Python, SQL, database, all these programming language related books. And also there is books for actually new technology related also, which is again based on interview preparation only. There is cloud computing related book, testing related, and also the books on Selenium technology, database, networking, CCNA, all these books. Actually, mostly all books are actually available for interview preparation especially. Okay. Another advantage I've actually seen in this book is that these books, if you examine, they have not actually arranged the questions randomly, but they have actually neatly organized every book as various chapters, and in these chapters you will see questions and answers from that chapter only. Okay, so consider that you are going to take a book on core Java. The core Java itself is arranged as various chapters, and in each chapter you will get that chapter related questions, and the answers, it is not a very brief answer. They have given an elaborated answer for every question that you're going to face in these interviews. Okay, so if you're interested in buying the books of interview preparation, there is a golden opening. I'm going to share the link in link of Amazon, and also I'm going to share the website of Vibrant Publishers in the description. And also if you see their website, you will get combo offers. That is, if you buy 2-3 books together, you will get a very good deduction in price. Okay, so please do check out their website. If you the applications they are only receiving through this Hackearth.com platform. First you have to register to this platform and then fill up all your details, and then you have to wait to get the mail from the Tata Elxsi to know that whether you are getting shortlisted or not. So if you are getting shortlisted, you have to give the coding challenge or the coding test on February 9th or 10th. Okay, so that is how the application procedure going to be. So we have seen all details regarding the recruitment from Tata Elxsi. This is a big opening. There are 600 openings and there is a lot of branches they are recruiting. Okay, so if you are interested, please go through the notification in detail, and if you think that you are eligible, please do register with Hackearth very soon. Okay, and also the last date they have not given, but the test dates they have given. So February 9th and 10th is the test date, so you have to register before that. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, also share it with your friends, and if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.